Alright, this video, and this is a new video for Instagram. And here in this video I'm going to speak about a little bit about how Instagram algorithm works and how to use it, or how to use the data basically, so that you are successful with Instagram and get more followers, more likes, engagement, etc. Now, if you don't know what algorithm is, it's basically a system or something in a computer that is put in place, and it does an automatic job to basically check different information or accounts to do like different functions. Like if the automatic system sees that a specific account gets many likes, basically it will put the account up in the rankings. Like it will promote basically the account. Okay. So this is basically what algorithm is, if you don't know. So basically it's important that you understand how the algorithm of Instagram works. Okay, because you actually will be able to grow your followers much faster. Okay, so first of all, the algorithm shows your post, just so you know, to a small percentage of your followers. If you have 1,000 followers, the algorithm does not show directly and right away to all of the 1,000 followers you have your specific post or video. Okay. Yes, so if you have, let's say, 1,000, the algorithm is probably going to show your post to around 50 to 100 followers in the beginning. Okay, and then the algorithm is going to test whether or not people, engaging with your post and are liking your post, are commenting to your post, etc. And then it sees that, okay, this specific person did a post, meaning you did a post, and then all of the, let's say it showed in the beginning to 100 people, this specific post, and then all of them reacted or engaged with the post. Then it's going to show it to more of your followers, let's say 100 more, and then 100 more if they react to, if they engage also into your with your post. Okay, good. And by the way, how does the algorithm tell whether or not people are interested in your post? This would be a question. Okay, so it's basically two things. It's mainly based on the engagement the post gets, and specifically for the likes that the post gets. Okay, so on Instagram, the most important thing is first likes, how many likes your post gets, and second, screen time. And screen time, if you don't know